Hey guys, just checking in on an addition project that we've been working on. Last time we checked in, we had all the framing completed, roof was on, watertight. That's allowed us to get in and get all the rough electric in, all the lights and the switches put into where we needed them, and also the plumbing. Brought the drain lines up to the bathroom for the shower, vanity, jacuzzi tub, and then have all our heat spread out to the rooms where we need it. So it's coming together, closing in. We have all the insulation in, starting to get a little warmer up there, which is what we like this time of year. And at the beginning of this week, we had the sheetrock loaded right through the front window, which was nice and convenient. So that's the phase we're in right now. We have the sheetrock going up, closing up the walls, really get a feel for the space now, the rooms that are up there, just coming together, looking really nice. The bathroom itself, it's all framed in, prepped on the front end for when we start to do the finishing touches in there, the tile and the trim. So we just wanted to check in on the progress of where we're at. It's going good, it's coming together nice. And next week will be a lot of the finishing touches with hanging doors and some trim and just in the home stretch. So we'll check back in soon.